Hello everyone, and welcome back to Weekly Dev Insight, the series where we dive into real-world developer skills to help you become a smarter and more confident engineer. Today's topic, one of the most valuable skills in your developer journey, debugging. Let's be honest, we've all been there. You write some code, it should work, but it doesn't. Your app crashes, your script freezes, or worse, nothing happens, and you have no idea why. So how do real developers deal with this? Today, I'm going to walk you through a practical, step-by-step debugging process that professionals actually use. First, don't panic. Seriously, debugging is not a sign that you're bad at coding. It's a natural part of development. When something breaks, your first job is to understand what exactly went wrong. Read the error messages carefully. Don't just skim them. Look for line numbers, error types, and keywords. They often point directly to the problem. Then ask yourself, what did I expect this code to do? What is it actually doing instead? Write it down if you have to. Clarity is everything. Next, reproduce the bug consistently. If you can't make it happen on demand, you can't really fix it. Try running the same inputs, clicking the same buttons, or following the same user flow. If the bug appears sometimes but not always, try to figure out what conditions cause it. This will save you hours of guesswork later.
Now that you know where and when it breaks, it's time to dive in. Start adding logs, strategically. Log what values your variables hold. Log when a function is entered or exited. Sometimes a single print statement can show you that a variable is null, a loop isn't running, or a condition is never met. If you're in an IDE, use breakpoints and step through the code line by line. Watch what the computer is actually doing, not what you think it's doing. You'll be amazed how often these tools reveal simple logic errors.
Mystery word, missiles.
Once you see where things are breaking, isolate that part of the code. Comment out other sections if needed. Replace parts with mock data or simpler inputs. Narrow your focus to just the logic or the file that's misbehaving. This helps prevent confusion and makes debugging much faster. Sometimes the answer isn't in your code, it's on the internet. But don't just Google type error or app crash. Search smart. Type error, map is not a function, JavaScript array. Or Firebase permission denied when writing document. Include the language, the tool, and the action you're trying to perform. Bonus tip, add site:stackoverflow.com to your search for more focused results. And always read the comments on answers. They often include critical context.
Still stuck? That's okay. But now it's time to ask for help, effectively. When posting a question in a forum or a team chat, explain what you're trying to do, what your code currently does, and what you've already tried. Include the full error message. The more specific and respectful you are, the more likely you'll get useful help, fast. Here's the truth. Every bug you fix makes you better. Keep a bug journal if you want. Note what went wrong and how you fixed it. You'll start to recognize patterns and avoid the same mistakes in the future. Real developers don't just write code. They learn from failures and grow. Let's quickly recap the debugging process. Understand what broke. Reproduce the issue. Use logs and breakpoints. Isolate the code. Search smart. Ask for help the right way. Learn from it. Debugging is not a waste of time. It's an investment in your skills.
Thanks for watching Weekly Dev Insight. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment about the last bug you solved, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world developer tips. See you next week.